dengan kawan-kawan kita sebelum mulai pelajaran pagi hari ini, alangkah baiknya kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Berdoa dimulai. Terus selesai.
Yang tidak masuk hari ini siapa?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Vernier calipers. The meaning are inner measuring jaws, vernier scale, retainer, main scale, depth measuring prong. Aim to find the volume of a small sphere, cylinder, beaker and a rectangular block by measuring its associated dimensions. First, we have to determine the least count of the given vernier calipers. One mean scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. One vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeter. Least count LC is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 BSD equal to 1 minus 0.9 millimeter, that is equal to 0.1 millimeter, which equals to 0.01 centimeter. Check for the zero error. Here, no error is visible as the zero division of the mean scale coincides with the zero of the vernier scale. Sphere. Materials required: vernier calipers and a sphere. Take the vernier calipers. The sphere to be measured is placed in between the outer measuring jaws and hold it tight. Note the mean scale reading and vernier scale reading. Calculation: total reading is equal to n plus n into least count. Total reading TR is equal to 2.1 plus 7 into 0.01, which equals to 2.17 centimeters. Volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into D by 2 the whole cube. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 2.17 divided by 2 the whole cube, which is equal to 5.3476 centimeter cube. Beaker. Materials required: vernier calipers and a beaker. Take the vernier calipers and the beaker. Place the beaker upside down over the internal measuring jaws and fix it tight. Note down the main scale reading and the vernier scale reading. Calculation: TR is equal to MSR plus BSR into least count, which is equal to 3.5 plus 2 into 0.01. That equals 3.52 centimeters. That is D is equal to 3.52 centimeters. Release the beaker from the jaws of the vernier calipers and place it at the end to extend the depth measuring prong through the beaker till it touches its bottom, and note the MSR and BSR readings. Calculation: TR is equal to MSR plus BSR into least count, which is equal to 5.4 plus 8 into 0.01. That equals 5.48 centimeters. That is D is equal to 5.48 centimeters. Volume of the beaker V is equal to pi into D by 2 the whole square into D. That is equal to 3.14 into 3.52 divided by 2 the whole square into 5.48, which is equal to 53.30102 centimeter cube. Cylinder. Materials required: vernier calipers and a cylinder. Take the vernier calipers and cylinder. Place the cylinder between the outer measuring jaws widthwise to measure its diameter. Note its MSR and BSR readings. Calculation: TR is equal to MSR plus BSR into least count. That is equal to 2.3 plus 7 into 0.01, which is equal to 2.37 centimeters. That is D is equal to 2.37 centimeters. Now, place the cylinder lengthwise in between the outer jaws of the vernier calipers and note its MSR and BSR readings. Calculation. TR is equal to LSR plus BSR into least count. That is equal to 4.1 plus 6 into 0.01, which is equal to 4.16 centimeters. That is L is equal to 4.16 centimeters. Volume of the cylinder V is equal to 5 into D by 2 the whole square into L. That is equal to 3.14 into 2.37 divided by 2 the whole square into 4.16, which is equal to 18.343 centimeters cubed. Rectangular block. Materials required. Vernier calipers and the rectangular block. Place the rectangular block lengthwise in between the outer measuring jaws of the vernier calipers and note its MSR and BSR readings. Calculation. TR is equal to MSR plus BSR into least count. That is equal to 7.2 plus 4 into 0.01, which is equal to 7.24 centimeters. Now place the rectangular block breadthwise in between the outer measuring jaws of the vernier calipers and note the MSR and BSR reading. Calculation. TR is equal to MSR plus BSR into least count. That is equal to 3.8 plus 5 into 0.01, which is equal to 3.85 centimeters. Then place the rectangular block heightwise in between the outer measuring jaws of the vernier calipers and note the MSR and BSR reading.
Perjelas lagi ya. Jadi kalau misalnya nanti kamu menggunakan jangka sorong untuk membaca skala, perhatikan di sini. Di sini ada skala utama, kemudian yang di bawah ini ada skala Tullius. Paham? Paham ya? Jadi yang di atas skala utama, yang di bawah adalah skala Tullius. Nah, untuk skala Tullius, kalian lihat garisnya, garis atas dengan garis bawahnya itu membentuk satu garis lurus. Ya, dia sama, yang paling lurus. Paham ya? Oke. Nanti saya lanjut lagi.
Calculation. TR is equal to MSR plus BSR into least count. That is equal to 2.4 plus 9 into 0.01, which is equal to 2.49 centimeters. Volume of the rectangular block B is equal to L into B into H. So B is equal to 7.24 into the rectangular block B, MSR plus BSR into least count. That is equal to 2.4 plus 9 into 0.01, which is equal to 2.
Untuk menuliskan hasilnya, jadi yang di sini adalah skala utama ditambah dengan skala Nonius. Jadi angka yang bawah tadi, yang skala Nonius yang membentuk garis lurus, angkanya berapa? Kemudian kamu kalikan dengan 0 dikali 0,1, ya. Kemudian kamu jumlahkan 2,4 ditambah 0,01, maka dapat ini. Paham ya? Itu jangka sorong ya. Oke. Nah, hari ini kita akan melakukan pengukuran langsung. Pengukuran langsung yaitu metode pengukuran yang dilakukan dengan mengamati dan mengukur objek secara langsung menggunakan alat ukur yang sesuai. Ya. Nah, hari ini kita mau pakai mikrometer dan jangka sorong. Jadi kita mau menggunakan mikrometer dan jangka sorong, termasuk juga ada mistar. Jadi kita mau mengukur langsung menggunakan mistar, mikrometer dan jangka sorong. Oke, silakan bentuk kelompoknya seperti kelompok yang sudah ibu bagi sebelumnya. Silakan. Waduh, berapa? Hasilnya berapa? 1,4 boleh ya? 1,4 salah ya, oke.
Ini skala
Harusnya berapa? Yang sejajar, harusnya.
sini nah.
Ya, lihat. Di bawah 15 ya?
Iya, di bawah.
Di bawah 15 berarti kurang. 14, 13 bukan? 14.
Iya 14.
Berarti 14 skala nunjuknya berarti 0,04.
Mikrometer tersebut terdiri dari dua skala, yaitu skala utama dan skala nominal. Membaca skala nominal adalah apa yang diberi pada bagian kiri rahang tetap dan bagian kiri rahang bukan dikalikan ketinggian mikrometer tersebut. Ketidakpastian mikrometer tersebut setengah dari mikrometer tersebut skala tersebut.